Hi. Oh my God. I'm Julian Oliver, and this is AskGCU. Hey, hashtag AskGCU. I lost my ID. What do I do? And we're gonna explain it.
So this is what we're gonna do. I have your ID right here, and we're gonna hide it, and you're gonna find it. Here you go.
Let's go.
So you stay here, and we're gonna hide it.
Oh, shoot. Okay.
So good luck.
I normally wouldn't ever lose my ID like this, but
Let's just put it there. In the ID place.
We're on our way to Canyon to hide the ID where you're supposed to get IDs in the first place.
All right, my heart. Can we just leave it here with you?
Oh, Julian?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
And so we're gonna.
Take it.
Okay, cool. Oh, sorry. Where'd it go? We hid your ID.
I mean, I could have lost it while getting food. It's so busy. Do I still ask?
They didn't find anything, but usually they put it in a safe and then public safety takes it.
Public safety? Okay, thank you so much.
No problem.
Public safety.
Head over to Canyon, I believe it is, and they will hook you up.
Canyon Hall. So I lost my ID, and I need some information on how to get a new one.
Okay, I can help you out with that.
Okay. Do you think you can talk for a few seconds outside? Awesome.
If you lose your ID, all you have to do is come into Canyon Hall in the admissions. You can talk to the front desk, let them know simply that, hey, I lost my ID, and we'll immediately take you to the back and print one right there for you. There's no wait time. They don't have to mail it. It's right there, and it is $10 to get it replaced.
That looks
But
nice.
it's really easy. It's quick. We'll have you with
Thanks,
a new ID in
Andrew.
about 10 minutes is all it takes.
Perfect. Looks like I need one.
That reminds me.
Oh my gosh, you've had it the whole time? I hate you guys. So if you lose your ID, I would suggest first calling public safety to see if they have it, go to Canyon to see if they have it, look for it, or go to Canyon Hall to get a new one replaced for $10. My name's Julian Oliver, and this is AskGCU. Use the hashtag AskGCU. Sorry, one more time.
That's okay.
I'll just do it all over again.
Okay.
Tweet hashtag AskGCU to get your question featured.